Okay. Before going to our requirement, I will show you something DevOps lifecycle. Okay. Guys, you know that, right? What is DevOps exactly? DevOps in the sense it is not a technology. It's not a anything. Okay, it's not any new technology. It is the only culture. Okay, for understanding the what's going on development time, what's going on operation side. Okay, we know the DevOps people knows the its development as well as the operation team deployment side. Everything should know the guys called as a DevOps. Okay, as a simple my word. Okay, I can say like this. If anybody not agree, then I will ask the last who already wants to explain the DevOps definition. Okay, we will go that also. And basically, if any project will come, we have the first plan of the project and also architecture of the project. Okay, we need to base up the project plan. Okay, this is the one. Are you able to see my screen, right? Alright. Can you please give me anybody? Okay. Anyone, please?
Yes, I can be able to see.
Yeah, fine. Thanks for your response. And see, this is development. Development team will be develop the source code requirement and their architecture and the discussion everything. And then after the development is gone through, then it will go for the testing phase. Okay, these two life cycles were called as a continuous integration. After that, we are cloud provisioning, means we are provisioning the server, configuration the server. Okay, there are many things will go through the cloud provisioning, like we are using Chef, Ansible for provisioning servers. Those technology will use here. And configuration also comes to here, configuration management. Okay. And then deploy, continuous deployment means we have to deploy using anything like Ansible, Dockerhub, Kubernetes, or whatever is the technology we can use in deployment mode. And then monitoring. In monitoring team, they can continuously monitoring the application statistics and server statistics. Those anything goes to fail, they will come up and they will resolve the troubleshooting of their issues, the server issues and all everything. And if anything goes to wrong, and they will give the feedback to the development team again, and again they will continuously. This is the whole life cycle of project. Okay, you know that, right? In every project, not only the .NET, not only the Java, not only the Android, not only the Hadoop. In every project, DevOps should be there. Okay, it's not only the single project. Okay, DevOps can allow the any project, any type of technology. Okay. That's why most of the opportunities are in DevOps. Okay. This is simply, I can say, okay, our time is short, 9:30. Mostly people are boring this topic. Okay, guys, any questions on this topic? DevOps life cycle? Guys, if you have asked questions, then ask me immediately. We will go for the next step.
No questions.
Clear, right? Okay. Okay, guys. Today we will discuss.
Madhu?
Yeah.
Madhu?
Yes.
I have one question.
Yeah.
What is the continuous delivery? What is the difference between continuous delivery and continuous integration?
See, continuous integration means it is in development side, like what we have to give source code from clone the source code and doing the test cases and run the test cases. Those stuff comes under the continuous integration lifecycle. Okay. Okay, that's the architecture. As of now, I don't have. In book I have. Okay. These steps will come under the continuous integration. Continuous deployment side means once your application is ready, it's a WAR file or jar file. It is that this is we can call as artifact. Okay, artifact. Okay, this artifact we are deploying somewhere, and we are running this artifact into any servers or any cluster and all. This is called continuous deployment. Okay. continuous delivery means once the product is ready, we have to give to the client, use this application to, this is a stable version, can you use this and you can do your business. That is called continuous delivery. Are you agree?
Yeah, perfect.
Clear, right?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, guys, today we will discuss topic, right? From Jenkins, we have built the Docker image and put the Dockerhub. Okay, if type permits, I will pull that image and will deploy into another server also, if anybody wants to do that. Before that, we need to some prerequisites for this exercise. Okay, we must install the Jenkins in our machine, and Docker also. We have the GitHub project in our GitHub and also Dockerhub account. Okay. Anyone don't know these things? What is the Dockerhub? What is the GitHub? What is the Jenkins? Everyone, I think so. Everyone knows this topic. Correct? Can you please give me anyone to play? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much. And also, this is our requirement today. Okay. Clone the Java project from GitHub. Build the Docker image through Jenkins. Publish to Docker image to Dockerhub repository. And we can pull that image to any server. Can deploy. This is in real time. There are different ways people will do. Once the repository, once the image is ready, they will pull the image. There are different ways, like as they will use the maybe Ansible, they may use Chef, they may use Kubernetes, they may use Mesos, Marathon. Different companies, they use deployment mode in different ways. Okay. Fine. Then you must know the some Docker commands for this session. What is Docker images? What is this command will do? What is Docker PS? What is Docker PS will do? This Docker images means what are the images we build in our Docker engine. That images list will show. Okay. What Docker PS means what are the containers are running currently in our Docker server. It will list out the Docker PS. And -a means all running servers and as well as the top servers also it will show. And we need to build our custom Docker image. We will use this command. And if you push them manually, you can use the Docker push command to Docker history. And then this is the Docker run command means we need to run our whatever we build the new image, that we need to run the Docker using the Docker run command. Okay. Vipin, can you please stop your video, because of everyone is seeing this your video. Because someone is disturbing you. Can you please? Thank you, Vipin. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. If anybody open the video, can you please stop? Okay. Because of they are disturbing something, they won't concentrate on our topic. Okay. Okay. I am trying to complete today. I have 3 projects. Okay. If how much we have to complete, we'll see. This is I have one small Java project. But don't think about the source code type, because of their DevOps. Because we are not exactly Java developers. Okay. Because I came from the background from the Java developer. Now I have the 5 years of experience in Java, and I have done Hadoop systems. I have done lot of mounting tools and also DevOps tools as well. Okay. You guys don't want to my experience, and I know that it's waste of time to discuss as well. This is a small project, Java project, and also one small web application. And if time permits, Java application with the Jenkins pipeline script I made it. If any time permits, I will show this as well. And what are the latest build, will pull that image and run the any another server. Okay. Yeah, I can. Sorry. Desktop presentation means I won't do PPTs, because the PPTs will get bored. See, I will show the hands-on your experience. Like hands-on, I will do that. In front of you, I will do that. Oh, okay. You are not seeing my screen, huh? See, someone, Kiran's iPhone, can please stop your video. Kiran, please. Kiran, please.
Just a minute.
Thanks, Kiran. You are not able to see my Word document. That?
If you are able to see the screen, but only iPhone you are able to see, Word document not able to see.
Okay. One second, right? This is the day. See the now?
Yes, we can see it now.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry, you should ask the first. Actually, I thought it's showing, okay. It's for me showing it, but it's showing 111. Okay. This is whatever I discussed, right? These things were prerequisites, and the requirement is this and all, and also these commands we required. Okay. And this command and today's topic, small Java project and Java web application, and the in pipeline as well. Okay, not only the things, most of the real time we are using Jenkins for DSL language Groovy, and some projects we have the freestyle project as well. For Abhishek Singh, can you please? Thank you so much. Okay, and I will put a small diagram. Right? Understand this requirement, I think so. No need to explain here again. Am I correct?
Can you explain us that port, which port is resource, which port is container?
Yeah. Sorry? Yeah. I will show the running the one web application with the port, okay, and the container inside the container port and outside the container port. I will show that as well, and okay, I will show everything today, and you will get to know exactly what's in DevOps continuously, how they will do it with Jenkins with Docker and all. Okay, please keep it sometime. You can ask the question. Okay, if this meeting is over, again I will send the link. If anybody wants question, we'll discuss 30 more minutes. Okay, if you want anybody. Okay, not issue for me. I will help you. Okay. See, this is our exact requirement. I have the source code from Git. I'm clone the source code from Jenkins. And I will build, I am running the Docker engine in the same mission, and build the Docker image, and I am pushing this Docker image to Dockerhub. Okay? Okay, for this purpose, I am using the CentOS. This is a Jenkins I installed. It's running on 8080 port number. It's like a normal installation ID. Yes, I will do that. So.
What you need to do is just stop the whole showing and share the desktop so that we can, whenever you open, we can see that.
Yeah, this is desktop only I share first, but you guys are not seeing.
Rather than sharing separate images.
Yeah, first I shared this one only, desktop only, but you guys are not able to see that way. See now, you are able to see my screen. Jenkins, virtual machine Jenkins. You are able to see, right? Sorry? Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. See, in front of you, I will create one project. Okay. Okay. I'm creating project Jenkins _ Docker, okay? And I'm taking a pre-filled project, first project. Sorry? Okay, thank you.
We are able to see only your Jenkins. We are not able to see the things that you are doing on Jenkins.
Yeah. It will come out to you. Wait 1 minute. Maybe some network issue. Once you see my project, new project, then tell me that I will go. I will configure that. See, my general section you are able to see, right? In Jenkins configuration. Guys, anyone?
Although we are able to see only Jenkins desktop section. We are able to see the things. Whatever you are trying to create, the job we are able to see.
Why? Same desktop and I am creating. I am not showing any other thing. See now. See?
So we are able to see the dashboard.
Previous is sitting now.
So you can stop sharing and then start sharing again completely.
Okay, let me try.
Since you are sharing only particular screen, a particular page or site.
Yeah. See guys now.
Yes. Yes, we can able. Yeah, we can able to.
Just now I created this project, Jenkins Docker, nothing is there, just I enter the future project, okay? Now you are able to see this project, right?
Yes.
Nothing there in the workspace as of now. Okay. And I am configuring this project.
One thing, so you are running Jenkins as a Docker container or?
No. Jenkins as a manually installed, okay? We can do that as well. That's not any big issue, okay? We have the Jenkins with Docker image as well in the Dockerhub. If you want, you can download, you can run it. I will take the session for that also. If anybody wants to the Docker complete tutorial, I will take 1 day. Let's see, time for me. See, guys, you got it right. In the general section, I will writing just Jenkins Docker integration. You are able to see, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Fine. And one thing, guys, you know, right, how to configure the credentials from Jenkins in Jenkins, right? I think so. You guys all know.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. That's great. Okay. This is the first. I will show the source code. What it is exactly. I have the Java project. Only one simple Java class. Okay. Don't think about the source code, okay, because we are not exact developer. We have a developer from self-scripting and automation scripting side and Python scripting, what we have to do. Those things we will take care of, but source code is not that much. Okay, this is on Java. If anybody don't know Java, don't think about this. Just I am printing this statement, just hello world JMS technology. Okay. This is a simple Java class, and my Docker file I will show you. Anybody have doubts in Docker file, just let me know. Okay, just 2 lines of Docker file, 3 lines it is there, I think so. Okay, 4 lines. Okay, these 4 commands I am using. See, I am using Java 7. From Java 7 means this is the basic command, basic this image. Okay, this is the Dockerhub image, public image. I am using Java 7. Okay. In Java, they are having internally their own OS and everything they have. Okay. I think so. Everyone knows this statement. And I'm copying this app.java into inside the I'm container. Okay. What are the all files I'm storing into here current directory? Only one I have. That's why I make it like this. Okay. App.java. Anybody don't know Java command means it's compiling Java source code. This command. This command will show the running the Java application. Okay. Java app. Basically in Java. Right. Okay. Any questions in Dockerfile? Guys? That? Yeah. That's the when we are using web application, that time we will go for this is standalone application. I explained you, right? We have three projects. One is the web application, one is the standalone application, another is the Python project. Okay. If you not export the CMD and entry point, right? CMD it will only in the number of CMD commands it will allow Docker command. Dockerfile, okay. It will what are the latest command we are giving that will take like the CMD means like what is the command we are running the Linux, what is the command we are running in the Windows type. Such kind of it will do. Means only one it will execute. If entry point means when we are running any shell script, any URL, any service we need to start, we are going for the entry point. Only one command will allow the entry point. In CMD it will allow the number of CMDs you can write in the Dockerfile. Run command means this is any Java command. Okay, like Java C. I am compiling the source code. For that it's using the run command. Yeah. I am running our.
So what is the basic difference between run command and CMD command? Who will first execute and what is the difference whenever the container is and will we do like run command first execute and it will take some information from the layer?
Yes, exactly. See, first of all, you must know the what is see, every line is a one layer in Docker. Okay, I will show that as well when we are building the Docker image. Okay, it will create the every layer. One command it is a one layer. Okay, first it will be follow the order. Okay, it won't go the up and down. It will first it will execute the front command, copy command, run command, and CMD command. If you put the CMD command above, it will won't work. Definitely, because of this is CMD command for the running the Java application. Because before that it needs a .class file. Clear, right? Any question? Guys? Yeah. Yes, exactly. Yes. Yes.
When you are Docker, with your container.
Yes, but if the option is there, we can use the run command as well. I think so. We can go for the once again the Docker documentation. We can use the when we want to compile or run any command, we can use the run command as well. But if I use the CMD to CMD, it won't work. Definitely it won't work. It will give the compilation error. Dockerfile it won't build. Okay. For changing the Dockerfile and all, we don't have time. And if you want to do, you can. I will share this project and make changes and do compilation. If any error will get, just share with me, and I will try to my end also. I will give the feedback to you. Okay. That's okay. I will go ahead. Yeah, thank you guys. Meeting ends up 10 minutes. Okay guys, this meeting may be going to end up 10 minutes. Almost 30 minutes is over. Almost 40 minutes on it will be there. Okay. I will see. Discussions are a lot of things that are going on. Guys, I will complete this within 10 minutes. Okay. Yes, yes.
What if I could give ampersand in compiling and executing?
Yeah, we can do 2 comments at a time. Yes, we can do.
Yeah, and giving CMD, we can give double ampersand there.
Yeah, we can do. Okay, it will work 2 comments. It will work like as Linux comments with 2 comments will run, right? Same thing it will work. It will work.
Yeah. It is the best practice.
Best practice is means who able to most experienced guys they can do like that. If you are less experienced and also they will where is the basic level and also if the 2 commands will execute at a time there is no 2 layers will be created for that, right? Only 1 layer will create and it will store into one place. Whenever this wants to same command will execute that another Docker file, it will link up to that layer. It won't build a new image, a new layer for that. Means 3 commands will work on 1 command, right? That will be
Using the layers will take out your time too.
Sorry?
Using the layers will bring it down the layers of the image.
Yes. Correct.
That's the same man.
Yes. Correct. Okay guys, I'm copying this. Guys, if any session will be a timeout, okay, I will send the group link in the WhatsApp group. Okay, can you please come again, okay? Guys, don't mind, because of our discussion taking time, I will share the link immediately, okay? And credentials I am adding. Credentials. And before that, for this exercise, I have we must install one plugin for this. Okay, CloudBees build and push plugin. Okay, guys, we must install one plugin in Jenkins, CloudBees build and publish plugin. Okay. In the build section, when we install that for CloudBees build and publish plugin, we will get this option. Okay, we need to give the here what are the repository and what is image we are creating. And tag number, right, in the Jenkins tag number means our build number, what are the number it is. I will put in the version of that. Dockerhub URI means here, if it is the same mission, we can use this URL. If it is in other mission, we can use this TCP connection. Okay. And because if you use the TCP connection, if you have credentials, you can add this. Because of I'm running in both in one mission, that's why I'm not using credentials here. This is default Dockerhub registry. If any private registry, we can add your private registry here. I'm using Dockerhub, that's why I'm not mentioning. This private registry URL credentials we can give. And if some options are there, I will explain you this. Keep push. Do not push this image with any unfixable completion. Okay. This no cache 2 means every time it will be will a fresh image. It won't take the what are the build in our local mission. It will take again pulling and because it will take time. Whenever we are checking this, it will take time. to build the image. Keep build and create fingerprints, it will be copied our local and as well Dockerhub as well. Okay, skip latest tags. I'm removing the two images. I'm removing one latest one because of I already one second. I already have the version of that. Okay, Dockerfile path is default in project root folder. It is right. It will take us. Apply and save. Okay, I am build now and save. I manually run the build now. If you want to configure this also, whenever push the whole SCM, build triggers, there are many options are there. Automation trigger purpose. I have two projects also have that. I am opening the control output, what's going on. See, its source code is pulled and the Docker image is built also the step, and it's trying to push the Docker image to my Dockerhub register. This is possible image because the pushing it will take time because of uploading right from net. If you have very fast net and it will go fast. I think it will go very fast. That's it. See that it is created by every command is one layer. It is the one layer, one command. But every command will create one layer for this. See, using this cache means it is already there earlier because I ran this earlier. This command purpose, this layer was created before. That's why it is using cache. If it is put the no cache is equal to option check in, it will build a new image again, new layer on it again. That's why it will take little bit later. Mounted thing. This image also earlier I did this Docker auto build. It will already mounted from this. That's why Docker is very popular now. It won't build again and again. And this is my Dockerhub. Don't mind that. I'm going little bit fast. This is my Dockerhub repository. This is my username. This is my latest build, okay. Guys, you are able to see my Dockerhub, right? Dockerhub repository. Guys, anybody can type for me? Yes, sir. Yeah. See, this is the tag latest one. A minute ago, because of it's already there, that's why it's not building, it's not pushing it compared to site. It is built a minute ago, it's updated. If you want to download and you can run anywhere. Okay. It's pointing to the some other image. Okay, Docker auto build. It's not uploading anything. Okay guys, I will show the web application. Same thing I configure here as well. This is after only. Guys, yeah guys, sorry guys, please join again same link, okay? One minute. Guys, please make, I don't know, couldn't find out who stop. Goody? Lenovo, please, Lenovo, can you please mute your system? Lenovo name. We need, actually, Lenovo is making noise. Make it your video, please, mute mode. Guys, please. Okay, thank you guys. Guys, can you hear me? Yeah, fine, thanks. Thank you guys. See, I'm doing same thing, but it's another web application, same configuration. This is web login automation project I'm taking from my GitHub. Okay. second, guys. It's taking time. I'm trying to show what is exactly this application. Okay. What is source code? What's the servers I installed? The Dockerfile and all. I'm trying to show you. Yes.
Is that source code is going to build in Docker image?
Nothing. I didn't do. Just before build, I will show the what is exactly. Okay. Nothing I didn't. I'm trying to show first what the source code, what Dockerfile it has. Okay. In the CSS, yes, styles I'm doing for my page, like border, screen, those stuff. I think just I will show this. This is my CSS source code. Okay, this is for input type, login page, width, size, color, and all. Okay, nothing there. We must mostly focus on what exactly Dockerfile is. Index.html is it is nothing. It is open one web page like login page. Okay, it won't work any backend work like entering the username password and you go into database. Nothing is there because I didn't develop that application. Just simply purpose I'm using. Okay. See. As someone is trying. In that, can you please mute your video in that? Okay, thanks in that. See, I'm taking the Ubuntu for this base image. Okay, what is the latest? This is maintaining to our developers Dockerfile. They can write their name and mail ID something. I'm creating one directory for this user app hello Docker. Okay, app hello Docker. I'm creating one directory inside the Docker image. This container, this image, Ubuntu inside Ubuntu. I'm creating one Docker image. Okay, it's run update. I'm installing something. I am updating the Ubuntu. Why this image? And Node.js is the one software for Node.js application because of that index.html file having the Node.js API. For that I am using Node.js and npm both. Okay, and I'm installing HTTP server to deploy on my web application. HTTP server, you know, right? Everyone running on 84, right? Everyone knows, right? Okay, that's why I'm not exposing that port here. If you expose any port outside the container, you can use the expose command and you can make it the port number here. Just I'm add and copy. And you guys have a question. What is the difference between the add and copy? In interview also, most of the people will ask this question. Okay, add will work on the rather than the copy. Copy will only folder to folder copying. Okay, and add will work on the URL also. You can copy that from one URL to another server or anything. URL based copy also you can do with add. Okay, everything it is also work fine. Just I am adding index.html file to whatever I am creating directly. From the directory I am adding this index.html file and I am starting my server. That's it. Can you have the questions on Docker, this file? Guys, I think it's a little simple.
Can you explain add again? I didn't get.
Add and copy means it will be local to local mission, like one mission to another mission, only folder wise you can copy. Okay, if you want to add copy some files from one URL to your local mission, it won't work copy command. That time we will go for the add command. Basic information I am giving to you. You will get some more information from Google as well. This is exactly working. Okay, if you read that one page also, it will be same. I will give you the one small line of output. That's it. I mean, what is the difference between add and stop? Clear, right?
Okay.
Copy the content from URLs to inward mission. That's it. Add will work on the more on like this also we can do. But copy command it won't work using copy from URL data to some local machine. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. This is my Docker file. Okay. This is the first project. This is second project. Same configuration I am doing here also. Nothing changed. I saw that configuration also. See guys. Build number, you know, right? What is the anyone build number means in Jenkins it will show the what is the latest build, build number it will work. Okay, it is same server, that is I am using this. Other than if you using another server, you can use the TCP IP. Dockerhub I am using. If you use the private repository, you can use the private repository URL and the credentials. Okay, and same. Okay, same not click portable image I am doing. Keep tag latest I am doing. Nothing. The same configuration I am doing. Okay. I am trying to show means I am building the new image web application. That's it. That is this configuration is same. But the functionality of the application is different. That's it.
But also have 1 minute, I just want to ask you
Yes, ask me. I am building that new image. Yes. Sorry?
If you go to the build, the folder, actually I am using the Amazon Web Services. I do have a SSH key. So, I can put the URL and the IP address over here, but how about the SSH key?
Yeah, when the credentials I am showing, right? You can add the credentials from there. In Jenkins credentials ID, SSH copy IDs you can add in Jenkins.
So we can add the whole SSH public file?
Yes, that file inside the credentials section in the Jenkins.
But in the build, how can we configure that to a local URL?
Which section you are asking about? 1 second, I am opening.
If you can go to the build tab.
Yeah, I am coming. Give me a minute. Yeah, tell me.
So here the repository name is whatever we are using, and the tag is like a page number, and my question is like the Docker registry.
This Docker registry URL, right?
Yes. So what should I go for when I am using Amazon Web Services?
Yes, that time you can add the credentials here. I will show you. I am creating new credentials. You can credentials, you can add here. 1 second. If you want, I will share in our group also. 1 second. It's domain, right? Secret file. Yes. See. Which type of credentials you are adding, like secret key, certificate, those stuff here you can add it. You can select here, like. Here, right?
That is Docker registry server URL. Mother said that is a Docker registry server URL. Okay. That if you want to pass anything, secret keys and all, Mother is telling like, here we can able to take options for secret file and secret text and all.
Yes, exactly.
Certificates and all.
Yes, correct. Okay. You are correct.
Suppose you are trying to deploy your Docker registry on Amazon Web Services and in EC2 instance, then you need to provide the public IP of that instance URL.
Like this.
Your keys, server credentials.
Exactly. Correct.
See what there. Okay, so Right now, your local host is your local host? Yeah, he is
Got it right? I am installing the Jenkins and Docker in same machine.
Oh, okay, got it. Because my question is like in a different mission if I want to do.
Yeah, that's why I told you, right, that TCP, this is the, when you are installing the Docker any server, it will point out the remote server. If you go with the Docker, go with this plugin, you will get some more information. Okay, remote server. Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Okay, that's fine. Here, right now?
Yes.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, we see the build console once again. I click the build now. Force build currently I am running. Come on. It's done. Yes, I am opening the console output. Come on. I will show the pipeline also good. In real time pipeline I will show. Be patient. As much as your own questions, you will complete that as well. If the time permits, you can ask the questions of class. That's good for us. See, this is the image. Because all are using cache because of I already gave this image at the end. That's why. You can try this option. Okay, no cache. What is the difference? So if you click on the no cache and not. Okay, you can use that. Okay, I am pushing this image to my repository. What? YBMS or login Docker auto build. Okay, this is my image. Login Docker auto build. Okay, and I will show on full and I will show that running the command also. Okay, it will be because of someone will get clarification. See, this is the latest one, 5 minutes ago, just now, right? Here, right? Right? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. See, now I build a new image. Okay. I want to deploy my new this image. Whatever I build, Docker full login Docker automation with the tag. What is it? 4, right? See, I will show you. I will share another server for you guys. Move to Docker. Okay. I have one more boot to Docker sandwich also. As you are able to see my boot to Docker console with another VM.
Yes.
Okay. See here Docker also installed. Docker here I am showing. Okay, nothing is running. Okay. And Docker images. See Docker login, Docker automation build 3 and hello world latest 2 images I have. Okay. Now I am pulling the one image. What are we latest image? Docker pull. Okay. Okay. 4 is the latest for us, right? Let's see. May take time, I think so. Let's see. See, I am did the wrong name. NVR I put it. Okay, now Docker images. See, it's because of it's already there some of layers. That's why it is doing very fast. Okay, but it will be 434 MB. Okay, that's clear, right? What I am doing? Guys, can you please confirm me one? Yes, thank you guys, thank you so much. And Docker run -d means I am running as a daemon. -t port number. Okay, HTTP server run some other. Okay, if I run this, where can I show you? Because there is no browser, right? This is IP access outside is not there. I am not giving this. Yes, we can make it that. Okay, fine. Because of you are not seeing that page. Okay, anyway, I am running here. That's it. Docker run -d -c 8085 is the export of the outside world inside Docker. -name is the container name I am doing. Jenkins Docker and my image. There is no option to copy of it. I need to type here. Anyone have question about this comment?
Same image can we use different approach, right?
Yes, definitely. Now see, I am using 8085, right? Now that's why why this is the future of Docker. See, if you same in mission, if you running if you are not using Docker, you need to use another mission, right? If you want to run the same application in the same port number, it will work the other port also. That is the use of Docker mainly. Okay. Expose to any port number, it will work on the same application, right? See, it is run on the Docker mission 8080, but we can expose any port number. If you use one port number, it won't work on the same mission, same port, right? If you are in Windows server, if you use any port, this is 8080 in the. If I don't have this Docker, I should run the 8080 on the same. Or else I want to deploy two applications and the two servers, different servers. This is distributed. That's why Docker will be the most popular distributed and auto scaling purpose. You can as much as you can deploy an application, one application into number of instances in the same server. Okay.
My question is, one port is exposed to external, one port is a container, right?
Yeah, 8080 is inside the container. This is the outside world.
Can we change 8081 for the same image?
8081, no need, right? Why we want to change the 8081? But if you want to, yes. If you want to change that port inside the Docker file, there is a command. Expose command is there, right? Inside the Docker file, we can expose our port number 8081. Then we can use here 8081.
Okay. Got it. And then Docker file, right? You are saying.
Yes, exactly. Yes, exactly. Okay. Let's see. This is the page. I will run inside this browser server, okay? started, right? This output came, but
Anyway, it is giving, right?
yeah.
It is running.
If it is showing, how it will be look like this, like this. Like this it will work. It will show this like this output. Because of this is 8083 in the morning I did some local mission. Okay, morning as like that. When I'm practicing that time I'm doing. Okay, clear, right?
Can you share us the video file?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, GitHub I will share the link by GitHub. Okay. Just search my name, YBMSR, then YB Madhu, then you will get to know my repository. YB Madhu and the GitHub, then search like that. And guys, I will go with this pipeline. This is the most important because of I am not doing any test cases, any sonar keep analysis, any Maven build, and those stuff. Okay, you can add in real-time project those stuff in earlier before this build. Okay. I will show the syntax of this. I am creating the pipeline project. Everyone knows, I think so, how to create the pipeline. A new item, go to the pipeline. If you before pipeline, we need to install the pipeline plugin. Okay. Same thing. Clone the source code. Come on. You are able to see, right? This is whatever I am opening. Docker will publish pipeline project, right?
But could you explain how the Docker networking works, like how the whenever the container is making up and the container, how the internal processing going on and how the network works?
If you don't mind, we'll take one session of the Docker and Docker containers, Docker networking and all. Okay. When we are, I will discuss with you guys. Give me some time. Okay. Yeah, definitely I will share my knowledge with the Docker porting, Docker inspect, Docker everything. Docker kernel level. Okay, now you can see, right? Are you able to see now? Yeah. See, this is my requirement. Clone the source code from Git and build the Docker image and test the Docker image. Test the Docker image in the sense I'm able to go inside the Docker, like right, Docker exe command using going to inside Docker, and I'm running just simply echo statement from over there, and it will come automatically, come back, and it will remove that Docker image, and then it will push the to Dockerhub. Okay, those scripts I've written here, Jenkins file. One second. Okay, this is syntax of the pipeline. Everyone knows I thought. Okay, I am declaring one variable app. Okay, this is a first source code. I am pulling clone from the GitHub. This application name is login docker by alpha.git. Okay, one of the in my Dockerhub project and building. This is API, and one more thing. After Jenkins 2.5, these options Docker with the Docker build Jenkins are provided. Okay. Syntax they will pipeline syntax they provided after 2.5. Okay. And this is my repository name, and this is my image name, and the environment latest build name I am giving. Building the Docker image. Like what we are using Docker command, right? Docker build -t and Docker image name and dot, right? Same thing, it will be work on the 6 level. Okay. I'm going app inside means like it will go for inside the Docker this image, and I'm running just echo test first. Then I'm coming back and I'm pushing. Okay. I am pushing to our Docker registry. Okay, Dockerhub registry. This is Dockerhub means this is my credentials. Okay, Dockerhub here is my Dockerhub credentials. I added in the Jenkins credentials part. Okay. Guys, any question?
Yeah, Madhu.
I'm going a little bit fast, I think so, but it's a simple step. I thought you are all able to understand.
No, Madhu, I have some doubts.
Yeah, yes, ask me.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's the Jenkins said. There is a first one, clone, right? Clone repository.
Yes.
Where it is going to clone? Whether it is going to clone in Docker image or local
No. In our workspace only. It will git command, it will clone the from my GitHub account. Login Docker.
But where it is cloned? Whether it is cloned in Docker image or
No, Jenkins itself only. See, it's plain. How we are feature project we are clone, we are making it. Same thing I'm making it here as well.
Okay, Jenkins server only. Jenkins server workspace, right?
Yes, it's workspace only. It's not inside the Docker. It's not putting it from there. After cloning this, it will come the all files, whatever I have. I will show that. Login Docker alphen.git, right? One second. Login Docker alphen. I'm going my repository. You will get to know what I mean. Oh shit. Guys, if it is, it will be over in 10 minutes. Again, you can connect. Okay, it's 40 minutes only. I thought it's 40 minutes. I can extend 3 projects, but taking time. Okay. In 10 minutes, it will go and log in the same ID. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Project name is login Docker alphen. This one only. Same source code. Okay. But in the Docker file is different image I am putting because of that Ubuntu, right? It takes 450 MB. For building, it will take lot of time. In interview purpose, they will ask which flavor Linux you are using in the Docker file. Okay, mostly also we are going because of it's very lightweight, like it's in MB like 13 MB, 14 MB. Other than to compare to all Linux flavors, it's Alpha Linux is a very less.
Alphen to Red Hat?
I think so. I don't know that. Sorry. But Red Hat, I think so. Yeah. Alpha Linux. Yeah. It's a very small image.
Okay, but Red Hat also acquired CloudBees,
Oh, I don't know. Because, old data centers we are running inside CloudBees only. All containers we are running in CloudBees in my data center. We have lots of containers, thousands of containers we are running. Same application, same image we are running 50, 60 images, 60 containers, one application. That's much traffic we are getting each and every application. Okay, same, nothing. Because if this OS is different, right? That's why the Ubuntu is different, right? APT get, now this is AP is different, Alpha Linux. Like M is different and Ubuntu is different, CoreOS is different and this Alpha is also different, right? APK add means any like app get like AP-get, right? Same thing it will work. Different OS flavor, same application. This is the application I have. Okay, clear, right? Same source. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm clear.
Yeah, thanks. See, this is my file. Okay, now nothing configure, just I am putting 4 stages inside the Docker. I am going to build now. See, 17 builds are done. 17 builds are done. Now 18th build. and this console output I am going. It's a huge output it will come. See this pipeline view we will get it here. This get checkout is done, bit clone is done. Okay, it's building the Docker image. It's going to building. Guys, don't forget, give me feedback in the group. Okay, if any need to update myself or any topic you want to discuss, can please update me. I will do that as well. Okay, don't forget to give feedback. Just give me feedback, that's it. Because I want to improve myself. I don't want to do anything. See, I am able to log in for pushing the Docker image. Yes.
Sorry for interrupt you.
Okay.
In real time, do we provide credentials in Codebase or something else we can use like Vault and all?
Yeah, that's what. Based on our requirement, if you are deploying in Ansible or something else, we can use Vault.
I mean, right now we are hard-coded these credentials.
No. Hard-coded in the sense, it won't show, right? Anyway, it won't show the password. Username it will show, but password it won't show. Yeah, you are correct. But real time, some companies may use like small companies, and some of firms they won't expose anything username password, and they have encrypt. They are using some any Python script like as base64 kind of encrypt API. They are doing the parsing those stuff and they are encrypt those. They are using 64-bit or 128-bit encryption. They are making security like there. Okay, but I don't have any check. I don't want any check. That's right. But yes, we can. They in real time now. They based on the manager, based on the project, like they are going to do different type of security. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the state of success or failure? End of the pipeline going. Let's see. Back to the project. Okay, it was success. Okay, and I'm going to my repository. That image name is autofill. I think so. Running Docker pipeline automation that you mentioned. This is our latest one, 3 minutes ago. Latest images came to you. And if you want to pull this anywhere, and you can run it anywhere. And there are deployments is based on company to company is different change, right? They can pull that image through the ansible script. They can pull that image through any container running like Metas Marthan or Dev, or they want to just directly they will use shell scripts and they want to pull that image and they will run their Python script. There are different deployment modes they can use, and all maybe they are using Kubernetes clusters for deploying the Docker containers, they creating pods, and they are running the number of containers inside the pod, and they based on the requirement they will deploy. Guys, are you clear?
Yes, Guru.
Yeah. Less than a minute I have. Guys, don't forget to give feedback. Just give me feedback. I will come up with any new topic with you, any ansible Docker kind of which we have got no need to say anything. Okay, just make it your availability. Just leave me feedback on anything I said wrong. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, got. Okay.